Welcome to the 9th edition of the Happy Investing Show. Thank you for watching. I really like the number of questions that I'm getting on a regular basis. Please do keep asking me these interesting questions about insurances and investments. The first question here is from Ambrish, who's from Bangalore, and his question is, I want to start investing for the first time. Where should I start investing into? Thank you for asking me this question, and I strongly believe because you're a newbie into investing, you should always be safe. Yes, the returns are going to be lower in a safer investment option, but it is always good to protect your capital first, build a decent base, and on top of it, keep adding funds that can give you more and more returns. So as a first step, try to build an emergency corpus, set aside that money in your bank account or an FD, and also build a long-term debt portfolio, which will include corporates, which will include government, which will include municipal bonds. And once you build this base, we will talk about investing more and more into higher return generating assets later. Good luck with your first investment, Ambrish. The second question is from Nimesh, who's from Lucknow. His question is, I want to generate a corpus of rupees 40 lakhs in the next 6 years. What should I be doing and how much should I be investing? Thank you for asking me this question, Nimesh. In my opinion, if you want to build a corpus of about 40 lakhs, you should today at least start with an investment of about 20 to 22 lakhs. And that investment of rupees 20 lakhs should be systematically, slowly invested into Indian equity markets over the next 6 months to 9 months. And if there's a big opportunity and if there's a big market fall, go big on investing into Indian equities. If you invest it over the next 6 months to 9 months and let it grow for the next 5-6 years, in my opinion, this 20 lakhs should be able to become 40 lakhs over 6-year period. The kind of investment you can make during this particular time is equity mutual funds. If you don't like equity mutual funds and have a certain amount of hang of investing in stocks, you can also invest in stocks. But if you want to sit back, relax, and not have too much of headache around what stocks to pick, when to invest, when to exit, how much of research should I do, go ahead and invest in good index funds, large caps, mid caps, and small cap index funds. I hope I answered that question. Thank you for asking me this question. The third question is a person named Uday, and he is from Bangalore. His question is, what are the various investment platforms that can help me in getting my financial plans done? Thank you for asking me this question. I don't know of many platforms, to be honest. There are a few mutual fund investing platforms like Coin and Grow and Scriptbox and many other platforms, but there are no specific goal setting platforms. You may want to Google it, but I'm very happy to inform you that a couple of my clients and I have come together to launch Noble Wealth, and our product is called Mira, which will help you to invest in right assets and achieve your short-term, medium-term and long-term financial goals. It should be live very soon, and if you want to know more details, go and log into www.mira.money. Thank you for asking me this question. I hope I answered all your questions. Please keep me asking more and more such questions. Thank you for watching. Happy investing.